Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the beauty and creativity of vertical garden design. If you're short on space, but still dream of a lush, green oasis, vertical gardens are the perfect solution. They bring life to walls, fences, and even small balconies, turning plain spaces into stunning natural features. Vertical gardens can be created using wall-mounted planters, hanging pots, wooden pallets, or even repurposed items like ladders and shelves. The key is choosing the right plants. Vines, ferns, herbs, and succulents are excellent choices for vertical arrangements. These gardens don't just save space, they improve air quality, reduce heat, and add a calming touch to your surroundings. Whether you design one indoors for a fresh vibe or outdoors for a vibrant wall of greenery, vertical gardens bring style and function together beautifully. So, if you're ready to add charm and freshness to your home, try a vertical garden.